Installing N8N on Ubuntu. In today's video, you are going to learn how to install N8N on Ubuntu. First, make sure your system is updated. This helps avoid errors during installation. Now open your terminal and you will see a screen like this. Now run the system update commands. After that, install Node directly and N8N since they are needed to run. You can either install them from Ubuntu's package manager from here, or you can use the Node source for the latest versions. Once Node.js and NPM are ready, install N8N globally using a simple command in your terminal. This will allow you to run N8N from anywhere on your system. After installing, you can start N8N and open the dashboard through browser using your service IP address or localhost if you are on a local machine. To keep N8N running, even when you close the terminal, use a process manager like PM2. You might also want to configure a firewall rule to allow traffic to the port for N8N user. For a more professional setup, you can add a domain name and secure it using HTTPS with less encrypt. Running on N8N Ubuntu gives you full control, performance, and freedom to customize your setup however you like. That's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content like this.